Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the all-new 2020 Subaru Forester. I should say brand new because they had a refresh lately, just not 2020. Really nice. Jasper Green Metallic is this color name, and it looks phenomenal. Except for the fact that pollen is a thing this time of year. Love this, almost like a stone color rear seat area. Tons of legroom sat behind myself. Total price comes to $34,417. Wow, it's a lot less than I expected. Yeah, Jasper Green Metallic over gray. The door edge guard. This is on the limited trim. There is still one trim above this, and that is the touring trim. We also have a few, few lower levels, if that's your style. You have Subaru's X mode, which controls its off-road features and stuff like that. Snow, dirt mode, deep snow and mud. Gauge sport mode. Really nice materials all throughout. Super nice sunroof. I mean, that goes back a ways. Really nice. It's a super nice place to be. Everything's really comfortable. I have no complaints whatsoever. I'm a huge fan of it. I think I confused it. There we go. But yeah, let's go ahead, take it for a drive. It does use a CVT automatic. Here, I guess we can kind of test its off-road capabilities. Great amount of power. I believe it's a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder. I just did a little quick research. Don't quote me on that, but that's what I believe is under the hood. And it's a great little motor. Tons of power. That's gonna annoy me. Ride quality's really great. Super comfortable. I could be in this thing all day and be perfectly happy. The Forester is our mid-size SUV. Below it, you have your Crosstrek is our smallest. The Outback kind of counts as an SUV. It's more of a wagon, but it is a sports utility vehicle. And then we have the Ascent. Brakes are good. Yeah, this is a phenomenal vehicle. Today's like the first day that I've kind of played around with Subaru. And so far, I am extremely impressed. I have no complaints with any of them so far. They are really, really good. Another thing I can't really demonstrate on this video, I did so on my personal Instagram. This Harman Kardon audio system is hands down one of the best systems I've heard for under $50,000. It is unbelievable how great it sounds. Tons of clarity, great bass to it. It is awesome. Do you also have eyesight? That's what this thing here is. It says not to touch it. Oops. That's what it's there for. That is your lane well, yeah, it might be part of lane departure, but mainly your radar guided cruise control, as well as your forward collision warning. That's where all the sensors are located. There you are. Just cruising. I mean, just take a look at this. Look how beautiful Quincy is. This is technically Hingham, right on the border of Weymouth, Hingham, right about there. Absolutely beautiful. Fuel economy is really, really good. Don't pay attention to the average fuel economy, anything you might have seen. This one, it was running for a while, which of course brought down the average, because when you're just sitting in a parking lot, you get 0 miles to the gallon. Jeez, man. As you can hear, road noise is very, very minimal. It's a super, super quiet cabin. It's really, really nice. I was definitely surprised by that. But overall, fantastic vehicle. I definitely now like the Forester a lot more. This is my first time driving one. really, really great vehicle and a bargain for the price, in my opinion. So thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.